Me and eating my sandwich.
We're really fat. We eat a lot. We just had pizza.
You didn't have any pizza. I had pizza. I don't even know if this will taste good. My chicken is naked. He's got his clothes off.
Sandwich?
That mayonnaise is sweet. Nasty. Slushy.
Down the drain?
Mm.
There's crap in the drain. I don't know who got it though.
I don't know how good this is. I have to taste the batter.
I'm trying to eat, but I can't.
Want some mustard?
There was pizza sauce all over her chip. I mean, she was like, I think she was upset, but she didn't say anything.
She came in here and got soapy water.
Oh, there's not much pizza sauce in the jacket.
Whatever.